Alright, let's talk about timing, or should I say Sonic the Hedgehog speed. You see, Sonic never waits around. He knows that timing is everything. But when it comes to deals, you can't just race through without checking the timing, budget, and fit. Imagine this, Iron Man rushing into a deal without knowing if the budget's there or if the timing's right. Think about it. What if the client can't afford it or they're just not ready yet? That deal is doomed. Just like when Superman gets ready for battle, he doesn't rush in without understanding the situation. He checks the risks, the timeline, and makes sure he's fully prepared. So be like Sonic, fast but smart. Make sure the deal's the right fit and you've got the budget and timing in your favor. Avoid the rush and your deal will thrive. Don't skip the analysis. Subscribe for more smart deal-making tips.